Good morning. I am short LCID here. I have this. I can't show you that chart. I'll show you this on the daily. I'm looking for SPY had large selling yesterday. I did not take a part of, and now we're seeing buying, which is more like a relief bounce, dead cat bounce kind of. This is a overnight session clearly. LCID is on the weaker end here. The volume's not incredible, 9%, 11 minutes into the day. But the action was nice in that early on we broke this level here, 35.50. I got an alert as we approached it. We wicked down below. We saw some relief buying. I was looking for exhaustion to come in. It happened, but I really wasn't wanting to just jump all over it super quick. I was watching the 35Ps, which were catching some flow. We're now at 11,000. I went to the 1 minute chart, and you can see interest, 300 contracts at 50 cents, 500 contracts at 80 cents, 3,500 contracts at 60 cents. I don't know the math on that off the top of my head. So $210,000 for that position. We're seeing buying now, but we're just seeing, look at this. See that number? So that is, hopefully this is a short and abort with this daily shape looking to fail and I can just hang on into it, but who knows with this action. Looks like it is going higher and sellers are there. Looks like there's a that could be the wick up above is 47.10 on ES, and then if we fail from here, but who knows? We could just flag and grind higher all day. It does not matter. Baba failing. It's flagging. It's exhaustive push. Everything is fine and bullish. Everything is. These are buyers. I'm supposing. If I make the spread, it's pretty shit. So I'm trying to avoid making the spread, but I am. Those are big sellers on the ask. 115. 105. Oh, probably. RTY failing or turning, putting in a lower high. Else if it's just grinding, it don't matter. I don't mind. I got it at 62. It's at 50. Wish the R vol was higher because it's not that high. It's 11%. Baba's doing great. Those look like committed buyers at 21% or whatever. Wonder if there's a dip buyers galore on that candle. I don't want to be short a candle where it's dip buyers galore. The structure's whack. But there's an obscene amount. I don't think I would trade shop. That sounds crazy. That's what I say to that, dude. We're seeing no short volume coming in on Baba all alongside. Looks like they're gonna wanna gamma squeeze to 130. We're coming back, fam. We're coming back. What the fuck is that? Don't want that. Get this shit out. Alright, Ronnie's saying he could have got a 40-point move on shop. His only play was here. They are building such a giant position. The 35Ps are huge. They're bearing this thing. LCID can't go anywhere. Dude, you need to hit it with 10,000 calls. You would need 10,036 Cs. Actually, that would blow this thing out of the water. But nobody's doing that. What the people are doing is they are buying 35Ps and they're buying them every chance they get a bid. That's where I bought it. When this dude said, I'll take 3,500 at 60 cents. And then we lost 15%, 20%. When are we back in Gucci? Shop's getting real difficult down here. Else it's failing. Low day. Let's go and get another screen chat. So I have lots of confidence in this trade because I'm seeing 20,000 puts and I'm seeing 4,000 calls. I'm seeing like 30,000. We're starting to get some gamma aspect as they're buying out the money puts, 34s and 35s. It's gamma dynamic is absolutely happening right now as dealers are forced to find a way to deal with people buying 20,000 puts. Be lovely if we see the 30s start to get some flow. I mean, it's too that's a little greedy, agrarious. It's a 15% drop today. But we can take a tenner, dude. Dude, look at this shape, dude. It's not good, dude. Oh no, dude. Where's the next support? 33 is the next support play. 33.2. What didn't I say? Hey, 4710. That looks like a failure here. 4710 looks like something I should short if I had futures and I had risk to put on and I had patience and I had. But hey, man, that's pretty sketchy up there. 4710. 30 points later, dude. 30 points later. Looking for LCID 35. They're not even looking for resistance. Uh, support. All right. 1 minute RSI is oversold. 3 minutes not. 5 minute is not. I have 5 minutes at 30, 15's at 26, so 1 hour's at 25. So 1 hour's oversold. 4 hours, not 4 hours at 30, and daily has it's a little chunky. It's 39. So we're gonna see lots of selling. 45. It's gonna be about 15 minutes of straight selling with 2 green candles. It's 13 minutes of selling. I just don't expect to see any bids. Show up anywhere, I mean. Let's check on the shop 1100s. 311 catching some flow. Spreads are fucking dog shit. This stuff comes naturally now. Market's been open for 30 minutes. I'm short LCID down to 33. We lost 35. No contention. Expect to. Sellers are more aggressive. Buyers need to do something about that. We have a high volume candle here. Jesus. This is not a high volume candle, but it is a nice hammer candle. Ronnie says support says like 33, but there's no supply until like 31.5. I didn't even check the everything's selling. Yes. Yes. Large selling. That's that's a candle that I'm interested in. Pretty cool to see Ronnie put it together, so going. Oh no. This shape is fake, dude. I'm a hand balancer. This line is impossible. He's got something bracing him from the back. Yeah. And then they deleted the wire here. That's stupid shape. Trading's so weird. All right, I need to find some capitulation target for LCID because 15 minutes at 24. This shape looks like serious selling. 5 minutes at 28. We're seeing a little bit of dip buying here, so we're interested in how many buyers show up here. And this is elevated buying volume, higher than what we've seen. Enough for me to care? No, no. I'm going to go to the 4 hour. AMD is failing. Check here, check Elsa, that's fine. Let me check AMD. AMD is failing. I have no capital to trade it, but look at it go, huh? AMD is support at 133.52. And it's gonna go right now. Oh no. Alright, back to LCID. I got AMD on another chart. Alright, LCID, massive fucking volume pocket. Jesus, dude. 28, 33. Yeah, man, 33. Sounds good to me. AMD's blowing the lows. LCID losing the lows, AMD losing the lows. AMD's only 19% of our vol. Shops are heavy hitter today. Shop should fail all day. Uh, ES is coming into overnight low. And I don't think buyers are enticed by these prices. Looking for an ES candle with at least 20,000 contracts to come in. Right now, this 1 minute candle's printing at 8,000 contracts. We're scraping the lows. The average is 6,000 contracts. So accidentally just sold LCID. Hush, Bella. Hush. All right, selling for. Well, Jesus, look at that fucking volume come in, dude. Lowest 33.81. So what I'm going to do is drop a new line, set an alert. We'll see some relief buying here. We should see a little bounce. And as we bounce, who knows where we get to? Let's say we get slapped at 35. It's fine, it doesn't matter, dude. Alright, I'm actually thrilled. We're gonna walk away from this one. Yeah, so I bought the LC. What's this going for? Jesus. Would have made more money if I just sat in this all day. Where did I sell it? 634. So this was fine because we saw a morning chop zone and it was sketchy, which always happens with Tesla, and we didn't know what was going to happen, if it was going to move higher or puke or what. And as we chunked higher, I just didn't want to be a part of it, so I sold it for 40 cents. I would have had to deal with a new high of day that got faded. I would have just had to wait. My 40-cent spread would have gone down to 20, and then I could have held on for dear life, and I'd be up $100 more than I was. But instead, I took this LCID trade up here. No, sorry, here, looking for this move, and instead we got this move, and I bought this contract for 62, and I sold this one for $1, and together the contracts are worth 56 currently, so I'm up 92, and I'm happy with those trades. That trade, this is more or less my trading style. I find a chart on the daily time frame that has weakness in the way Nvidia is weak right now. Nvidia as well. Nvidia seeing selling 10. God. Yeah, they're selling it. It's getting sold. Do I want to chase it with all of my guap? And no. Man, they love selling this one today, don't they? That's what it is, 260. I just made $95. My account's worth $132, or I'm sorry, $191. I wasn't thrilled about buying this for 130 and then looking to sell this for 60. It's $50 on the line with tomorrow's Friday and all that. Else it should flag down here. That's it. I think I'm out of space, out of room. It's been 45 minutes. I'm not shorting down here. Down 9 points. Cool. I'm not doing that. Yeah, I'm gonna cut this video. We're good.